This video we are going to see what are the important parts of EBD. So in my previous video we had seen what an EBD does. So what is an EBD? EBD is an electronic brake distributor, and its work is to ensure that your braking systems or the brakes get proper amount of force for each and every wheel. So it ensures that each and every brake on each and every four tires gets a proper amount of force that is required, and it is different for each and every tire. It is not always same. So in this video today we are going to see what are the important parts that an EBD needs. So the first part is the sensor. So the sensor is there for measuring or determining sleep ratio of your vehicle. So in my previous video we had seen what is the sleep ratio. Then we have valves that modulate the proper amount of force required for each and every wheel. Then we have ECU, that is an electronic control unit, which ensures or which calculates the proper amount of force that is required for each and every wheel and each and every brake. So let's first start with the speed sensors. So there are two types of crucial information that are needed for your vehicle for applying your brakes. That is, first the speed of your vehicle, and second is the speed of your vehicle's tires. So these are the two crucial informations that determine your sleep ratio. So when the speed of your vehicle or your car is more than the speed of your wheel, then the chances of or the chances of the vehicle skidding is more. So for this the speed sensors calculate the speed of your wheels to that of the to speed of your wheels. There are no specific sensors for calculating the speed of your vehicle. The speed calculation for your car can be done by estimating the values from the speed four values that are determined by four wheels and estimated, and they are then calculated to give the speed of your car. Then we have brake force modulators, that are valves. So what are the brake force modulators? Brake force modulators work hydraulically, and we can say that when the brakes are applied, fluid passes through brake lines by which we activate the brakes pneumatically. So these are what the brake force modulators do. Then we have ECU. What is an ECU? ECU is an electronic control unit that is embedded with ABS. So what is ABS? ABS is anti-locking braking system, and it requires input from the speed sensors, which gives the speed for each and every vehicle's wheel. So if there are four wheels, then it will give each four amounts for different amounts of force required for braking to the ECU. Then according to those each and every wheel, the ECU will give the command to the valves or the brake force modulators to apply the proper amount of force to each and every wheel. So this is what an ECU does. So these are the main parts of an we can say EBD. So uh, there are more sensors, and in most cases the vehicles or the car manufacturers use the yaw sensors, that is which detect the rotations of wheels. So this works on the angle of the steering wheel. So it detects the angle of steering wheel, that is if it is oversteer. So what is oversteer? Oversteer means the angle of steering is too much than the angle of your wheel. And then comes the understeer, which is the angle of steering is less than the angle of your wheel. So this is on this principle your sensors work. They can be used with, or they can be used as conjunctions with the electronic stability controls, that is escape. In for short and for remembering us, the short form of it is ESC, that we can say as escape. So this is the yaw sensors. So the yaw sensors connects they correct the steering activity, and they by applying brakes to your rear wheels. So if it is an oversteer, the brakes activate and it decreases the rotation. That is, if the oversteer means that if the angle of your steering is too much, then it corrects your rear wheel and it activates the brake. Then we have understeer, for which it uh, it activates and it increases the speed of rotation of your wheel. So these are the yaw sensors. So in my next video we'll see more about EBD, and we'll see more advantages of EBD. So till then, bye.